Hey there, I'm Veena and welcome back to my channel. So I got a special deal for you. So watch this video till the end. मेरी फ्रेंड की शादी है एंड मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि मुझे उसे क्या गिफ्ट करना चाहिए बिकॉज गिफ्टिंग हैज़ बीन अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क एंड आई नेवर अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टू गिव बट रिसेंटली आई केम अक्रॉस Zouk and which is vegan and proudly Indian brand. It has various print and which are inspired by Indian heritage and culture. So guys, I got this bag from Zouk and you can see this bag is so spacious. I can use for my office and college. And you can see this is so spacious and I really love this print and bag material. And guys, they have a varied range in bag, footwears and scarf. So now I know how to always give the perfect gift to my loved one. Use my code YTVEENA15 and get additional discount on the website. Thank you so much sending me this bag and shop with Zouk.